A lift powered by air. A vessel built for the sea. When installing an elevator inside of a yacht, you need a solution that soars. Without a shaft or a pit. These marine elevators go anywhere. With 3 sizes available. Elevate your standard of living. Take your yachting experience to new heights. A work of art, powered by air. Pneumatic vacuum elevators. Visit us online at vacuumelevators.com.